We're just cruising, man. We're just cruising. Whoops. That was almost a tree. Yeah, let's not do that. I got really lucky there. Airplane video. This one here comes from, I believe the company is Pegasus. Pretty sure it's the company. And it's the Qidi or Qidi 580. It's a little tail dragger Cirrus. Another little micro plane here. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I've seen this across the internet and, well, now we have it here for us. So cool, I got the green one, which means it's gonna be nice and high visibility. It also comes in blue. I'm actually pretty excited for this one. Links are in the description if you're interested, guys. This comes to me from Banggood. Banggood hooking it up with another RC airplane. Wow, that is bright. Manual, pretty classic. This is really bright. It's way brighter than it looks in the picture. It's like blinding, almost actually. Some USB, some tools, and probably the landing gear. Landing gear, plastic wheels though. Okay. Yo, this is cool. And it's got like a little drone propeller on the front. Brushless motor. Yeah. Okay. And the controller. Okay. This feels alright. Nice little simple 4-channel, even though it's 6 because it's got these buttons here. This thing looks awesome. I'm not gonna lie. So it looks like there's probably just one screw. Yeah, one screw to hold the wings on. Ailerons plug in. Nice little low wing. My oh my, that is bright. All right, I'm pretty excited about this. This has the profile of a little micro that's probably gonna fly really good. Let's charge up the battery, which is a... Is it up here? I'm afraid to break it. Does this not come with a battery? Smelly paper. It's really smelly paper. Oh, I see. Use a little tool. That's a first. Oh, I see. Well, there you have it. Here's the battery. 1000 milliamp. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna snap the wings on and put the wheels on. Just 2 plugs, 2 holes in the control board. It literally looks like a highlighter. It's the brightest thing I've ever seen. That is really cool looking so far. I think we're just gonna name this the highlighter Cirrus. That's what I'm gonna call it, because it's literally the color of the brightest highlighter you've ever seen. Let's get our little tool. Don't forget your tool at home. It's a strange thing. Lots of cool lights on this. I think I'm gonna have to turn the lights off in here so we can see what this thing looks like in the dark. Yo, I love it. I love it. I hope it flies good. Sometimes you get these planes and they look great and then they just fly like garbage. But yeah. Servos are built into the wing. There's actually a good amount of throw on that. There's a lot of throw actually. Ooh, that's got lots of power. Yeah, this thing's gonna be really fun, I can already tell. Let's just cut the lights real quick. That's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. That is a cool looking plane. Well, this is another one that I'm hoping flies as good as it looks, but for my research, I think it's gonna.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
All right, guys, we're in the backyard. I have not flown a plane out here yet. I don't know what's out there, animal-wise, you know, like snakes and stuff, so I'm hoping this goes right. Feels weird, feels like I'm just kind of throwing this into the abyss. I mean, I guess it's not terrible, right? But I was gonna go to the park, test flight, to see it was okay to fly in the backyard and blah, blah, blah. Why bother? Let's just get it done here. This is what is the most exciting part about moving into this new area. I took the landing gear off the front because, well, grass. Figure there's no need for it, and we'll just do a hand toss. Well, I mean, this is it, right? I'm gonna start over here. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do this, guys, but I'm gonna start here just in case I need to bail. Oh, it flies great. Well, I can't really say that, I barely flew it. But we're cruising, nice and slow. Perfect. Look at all these birds. It's super quiet. I mean, it's so freaking visible up there, it's unreal. There we go, guys, our first airplane in the backyard. Quite literally a dream come true for me. I've been wanting something like this since I started flying as 20 years ago. There's so many birds. Landing might be a little difficult though, because it is, I'm gonna have to go, yeah, tons of birds. We're cruising. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plan this. I'm not sure why we're beeping, but I don't really know how I'm gonna land it, to be honest. I don't have a clue how I'm gonna land it yet. This might be the way to do it right here. Let's try it. Oh yeah, dude. Nothing to be afraid about, guys. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm so happy that I have a place to do this now. I was literally gonna go to the park. How silly of me, right? How silly of me. All right, so that's with the gyro on. I'm probably gonna leave the gyro on for now, to be honest. Gyro auxiliary mode. I'm not sure what that means. I guess there's only one way to find out, right? But it flies pretty good. It's definitely smooth. It looks great. Easy to see. So we're gonna go into, we're in mode 2 now, so I don't really know what that mode 2 is, but I don't really see much difference, to be honest. It's a good flying plane, man. I love the micros, I say it all the time, they fly so nice. This is a dream come true. I really don't, I can't, oh, I see. I'm trying to figure out what the difference between the middle setting and the bottom setting. I mean, we're just cruising, dude. It's got a nice enough breeze here. But if I want to turn hard, you can. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's giving me a little more control. I mean, I'm like a quarter throttle. I'm more like half throttle. It's a floater. If you want to go slow, it'll go slow. I don't really know its stall limit, but it's super quiet. Almost too quiet. You wouldn't know when the battery's dying. It's got me a little nervous, to be honest. You just can't even tell. Let's go for another little landing right here. Wonderful. Okay, so yeah, my only concern is having a dead battery in the middle of the field. I don't know if this is gonna really start telling me or not. So yeah, we went into inverted flight mode. I have not come out of gyro, which I'm guessing is the 0 mark in the top right. I guess we could try that here just for a fraction of a second. Let's get some altitude. Coming this way. And we'll go in just for a moment. Okay, yes, I see. So that's gonna give us full control. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait till I'm at the airfield to start doing tricks with it because I just don't wanna risk losing it. It's not even that, I just don't wanna have to chase it. So better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, look guys, it's flying nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. You put a little bit more trust into like the UMX style planes, guys, the ones that cost more because you just know the technology is there. These little ready to flies are getting better, but when it comes to full controls on rolls and things like that, you just don't know. So we're just gonna keep it a nice simple flight for now. It's got lots of authority on the rudder. You can really turn this thing. Rudder really gets the plane moving. Trim out of the box is pretty good. And we're just cruising, man. We're just cruising. Whoops. That was almost a tree. Yeah, let's not do that. I got really lucky there. Yeah, we're just cruising, man. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it, but that is what we are doing. I'd say we're probably pushing it a little bit with the battery, so I think I'm about to cut the flight. We'll just do a couple more passes here, and then we'll come in for the final landing, because I have been full throttle for a while, considering it's a little bit windy now, so a little bit of altitude here. Again, the green, unbelievably visible, so easy to see. I'm so happy I got the green over the white. It just really pops, and it's a beautiful day today too. The first official flight in the new backyard, guys. And we're just gonna come in here for a nice buttery smooth landing. We're gonna see a lot more of this plane in the channel, I can guarantee you that. How pretty is that? We'll do a vertical takeoff. Probably not a good idea to do that, but I'm loving the landing. I'm loving the airflow. It makes for the perfect landing scenario. Probably could come in a little bit more speed there. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. I'm having too much fun. A lot of times the birds will chase the plane, so I'm actually surprised to see them not doing that. Whoa, whoa. All right, here's our final approach. See if we can get it nice and minty. Oh, I'm a happy person right now. I am a very happy man. There you go, guys. The little Cirrus from Qidi. I read online how to say this. It's not a Q, it's not Qidi. I recommend this 100%. It's probably one of the best little micros I've ever flown. It's super smooth, nice and lightweight, not very expensive, and it looks amazing. I mean, look at this thing. How cool is that? Links are in the description, guys, if you're interested in picking one up. Make sure to check out one of these other RC airplane review videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.